Hello, I'm Benedicta Skarpangesti from Mathematics Education 2018. Today, I will explain my essay about the ability to understand mathematical concepts of students with brain-based learning models. This essay is divided into three parts. First, introduction. Second, discussion. Third, conclusion and suggestion. Mathematics is one of the subjects studied in high school. Learning mathematics is essential, but mathematics is still considered a difficult subject. Generally, the teacher only tells the concept and the student only receives the finished material. This is not based on the essence of learning mathematics, where students must understand mathematical concept as the basis to understand the new concept. Moreover, mathematics is closely related to the progress of understanding mathematical concept. It is also suitable with the objective of learning mathematics. According to the Ministry of National Education 2006, one of the objectives of learning mathematics is to understand mathematical concept, explain the interrelationship between concepts, and apply the concept of algorithm in a flexible, accurate, efficient, and precise form in problem solving. Several factors influence students' understanding of mathematical concept. According to Van de Waal, which is cited from Hadi and Kasum 2015, one factor that influences the understanding of mathematical concept is the use of models or tools for learning. Visual aids, use of symbol, computer drawing, and spoken language. One of the teacher methods to realize conceptual understanding is selecting a suitable learning model. The learning model that can be applied in the teaching and learning process in the classroom is brain-based learning. According to Bawena et al. In Anggreni et al. 2020, the brain-based learning can improve student understanding of concept and can also correct student misunderstanding. By using brain-based learning, it is expected that students can understand mathematical concept. Second, discussion. A. The nature of learning mathematics. One of the subjects that students must learn in primary and secondary education is mathematics. According to Hamzah 2014, mathematics is a structure and systematic science, which means mathematical concepts are arranged hierarchically, structured, and logically. According to Shahid et al. 2003, learning mathematics is fundamental because mathematics is influential in life. Although learning mathematics is very important, students still consider mathematics difficult. Mathematics learning in the classroom is still dominated by teacher or teacher-centered, where students have a passive role. Most teachers provide material concepts, then students accept and memorize them. It is not suitable with the objective of learning mathematics. As with other subjects, mathematics has several goals to be achieved. According to the Ministry of National Education 2006, the objective of learning mathematics that students have to achieve are: first, understanding mathematical concept, explaining the relationship between concept and applying concept or algorithm flexibly, accurately, efficiently, and precisely in problem solving. Second, using reasoning on pattern and traits. Performing mathematics manipulation is making generalization, construction proof, or explaining mathematical ideas and statements. Third, solving problem, which includes the ability to understand problem, mathematical design models, complete models, and interpret the solution obtained. Fourth, communicating ideas with symbol, table, diagram, or other media to clarify the situation or problem. And the last, have an attitude of appreciating the useful of mathematics in life, namely having curiosity, attention, and interest in learning mathematics, and a tenacious and confident attitude in problem solving. B. The importance of understanding mathematical concept in mathematics learning. Understanding the concept is closely related to learning mathematics. Besides being included in one of the objectives of learning mathematics, understanding concept is needed because there are still many students who make a conceptual error or misconception. According to Priyambodo 2016, concepts are the basis of thinking, learning rule, and solving problems. According to Kesumawati 2008, understanding the concept is one of the skill or mathematics skill expected to achieve in learning mathematics. Showing an understanding of the mathematical concept means students are studying, explaining the relationship between concept and applying concept or algorithm in a flexible, accurate, efficient, and precise manner in problem solving. According to Van de Waal in Hadi and Kasum 2015, there are some factors affect to the understanding of mathematical concept. Student reflective thought, interaction, and the use of model or tool for learning, display, use of symbol, computer, drawing, and spoken language. Therefore, the selection of the right learning model can affect student ability to understand mathematical concepts. There are two types of conceptual understanding. According to Skam and Polacek in Kesumawati 2008, there are two types of understanding the concept, such as first, instrumental understanding is the understanding of separate concept and only memorizing formulas to perform simple calculation. And second, rational understanding is understanding the concept that contain a schema or structure to solve a broader problem. Understanding mathematical concepts are essential in learning mathematics because concepts are interrelated with one and another. According to Kasana and Rizkyanto 2018, one concept with another has a relationship in mathematics. In this case, one material may be prerequisite for other material, or a specific concept is used to explain other concepts. Teachers do not solely give a concept to students, but students themselves interpret concept. Therefore, understanding the concept is very influential on meaningful learning for students. In education, the person who has the role of increasing understanding of the concept is the teacher. Teachers can choose the right learning model to create an understanding of student mathematical concept. C. Application of the brain-based learning mathematical learning model to students' understanding of mathematical concepts. According to Van de Waal in Hadi and Kasum 2015, one factor that influences the understanding mathematical concepts is the use of models or tools for learning, visual aids, use of symbols, computers, drawing, and spoken language. Therefore, one of the teacher's strategies to teach conceptual understanding is selecting a suitable learning model. Many learning models can be applied in learning mathematics. One of the learning models that can be applied in learning mathematics in the classroom to optimize students' understanding of mathematical concepts is brain-based learning. According to Putri et al. 2019, brain-based learning is a learning model full of stimulate creative thinking, and provide a supportive learning environment for students to think freely without pressure. The learning stage of the brain-based learning model, according to Putri et al. 2019 are: first, pre-exposure; second, initiation and acquisition; And the last, elaboration. The brain-based learning model can provide an understanding of mathematical concepts. According to Sukarya 2013, applying brain-based learning can provide a concept for making learning by reviewing strategies to empower the potential of students' brain. Several previous studies examined the effect or effectiveness of brain-based learning as a learning model on student understanding of mathematical concepts. The result of research analysis conducted by Satyawati 2017 with the title The Effect of a Brain-Based Learning Approach on Student Ability to Understand Mathematical Concepts shown that there is an effect of the brain-based learning approach on the student ability to understand mathematical concepts. Whereas the result of the analysis of research conducted by Anggrani et al. 2020 with the title The Effect of Brain-Based Learning or BBL Learning Model and Direct Learning Model on Concept Understanding of Junior High School Students shown that there is a difference in student understanding of concepts between group that study with the brain-based learning or BBL learning model and group of students who learned with direct learning model. Students who studied with the brain-based learning or BBL learning model had a higher understanding of concept when viewed from the average score of students. Although the model in several studies of brain-based learning is effective and influence understanding mathematical concepts, this brain-based learning model has several advantages and disadvantages. According to Noor 2016, the advantage of this learning model according to that students are in an active, comfortable, and challenging learning atmosphere, and all students get assignment in discussing the material. Must be ready at any time to present the result. So, there is no opportunity for students to waste time by chatting or doing other activities outside of learning. While the weaknesses in the BBL learning model, according to Noor 2016, include students who are used to being passive in their learning, find it difficult to discuss. Third, conclusion and suggestion. Conclusion. Understanding mathematical concepts are important in learning mathematics because understanding concepts is one of the goals of learning mathematics. In addition, there are still many students who make a conceptual error or misconception on some materials in mathematics. The teacher's strategy to help students understand the concept is selecting a suitable learning model. The learning model that can optimize student understanding of mathematical concept is the brain-based learning model. And the suggestion, teacher can use the brain-based learning model to optimize students' understanding of mathematical concepts. It is expected that with brain-based learning, students can understand each concept in learning, find link between concepts, and use them in solving problems of daily life. This learning model can be used not only for junior high school students, but also for senior high school and elementary school students. Okay, this is my presentation today. Thank you for your attention.